Following the previous session, which looks at the 4 tools, in this session, we will be looking at the ITC Market Price Information Tool and the ITC Standard Map. The ITC Market Price Information Tool provides businesses with access to real-time prices for agricultural products. By having access to real-time prices, businesses can determine the costs of investing in a specific sector or market. Data prices are sourced from governmental sources such as the United States Department of Agriculture and analysis agencies such as Thomson Reuters. In particular, the data from this tool covers wholesale prices and market news for over 300 agricultural products from 8 sectors. These sectors are agricultural commodities, dairy and livestock, fish and seafood, fresh fruits and vegetables, and pulses, oilseeds, nuts, oils and fats, ornamentals, spices and herbs. The Market Price Information Tool has free access for users. While market news for products is available directly, to access data prices, users need to register on the website by creating a personal account. Please note that account credentials are common for all ITC tools. We will now show you how to use the ITC Market Price Information Tool. However, please note that this tool has not been updated recently and does not have real-time data on market prices. You should first log in using the credentials that you created for TradeMap. The 2 main components of the MPI database are prices and news, which are available from the top menu. Let us click on Prices and select the sector of interest. We will use fresh fruits and vegetables for our example. Then you have to select the product of interest and we will look at avocado. You will see that additional tabs appear on the left. Let us go through each one of these tabs. First, you will be asked to specify the country of origin from which the selected product originates. You will note that All is the default option for the filter. When the All option is selected, the table will show the prices for all of the different countries associated with the product during the selected period. It is also possible to select multiple countries. Next, you have to enter the destination market for the product. Note that the field city appears automatically if such data is available for selected countries. You will also notice that some of the default options refer to combined. When the combined option is selected, the system will merge all the prices under the criteria and calculate a simple average of all the data available under the filter. The Not Mentioned option includes some data in which the country of origin, the destination, or both are not specified. We will select Mexico for country of origin and All for destination market. Let us now look at the filters regarding the characteristics of the product. Depending on the product selected, these characteristics can include the type of certification, the product's variety and quality, the sizing, the packaging, and the type of trade. By default, the option Combined is suggested by the system for many of these characteristics. We will use the Combined option for our example. You can also specify the type of price, that is average, minimum or maximum price, that you wish to analyze. You should also choose the currency and preference unit. Let us look at all prices in USD. The only reference unit available for avocado is kilogram. Finally, you need to select the period for which you would like to analyze the prices. Currently the tool has data between January 2022 and January 2023, so we will use this window. Now that you have selected all your filters, you can click Submit. Let us check the results. At the top, we get the average price, the lowest price and the highest price per kilogram. A chart showing the evolution of prices over time is also generated by the system. Each point on the graph shows a price corresponding to all the criteria that are not combined. You can also zoom on prices for a specific period or customize the time period using the toolbar. Note that only the first 5 time series are shown in the graph to make it readable. The tool also provides us with a table summary of the results. It allows the user to download the tables in Excel or PDF format and provides the full set of results unlike the chart. Let us now move on to the news feature. You can select the sector and product of interest to get the latest news available for the selected product. This feature unfortunately is not up to date at the time of recording of this tutorial. Last but not least, a user guide is available on the website on the menu bar. We recommend that you go through the guide and spend some time familiarizing yourself with the tool. The final tool that we will look at is the ITC Standards Map. This tool allows users to find neutral information about voluntary sustainability standards, codes of conduct, audit protocols, reporting frameworks, and company programs on sustainability. It provides information on over 300 standards for environmental protection, worker and labor rights, economic development, quality and food safety, as well as business ethics by product, sector, and area of focus. The process of data collection, analysis, and publication in the Standards Map is managed through a robust process, with external control and systematic participation of standards organizations. The standards published on the Standards Map have been quality checked by the participating standard organizations and reviewed by third-party experts. Standards updates are conducted on a biannual basis. The tool is free to use, and the Standards Map website contains a set of free tutorials that guide how you can identify and review relevant standards. Let us now look at how to use the Standards Map. Note that you do not need to log in to use the Standards Map. There are 4 modules available on the tool: Identify Standards, Compare, Monitor Trends, and Certified Business Registry. The first step towards building the sustainability roadmap consists in identifying standards. Click on Identify Standards and you can browse through the list of standards to select the ones of interest. You can search by the name of the standard. You can also filter by theme or pillar, as well as sector. You can type the product name, origin, and destination to refine your search. Additional available filters include value chain, purpose, verification, among others. I am going to select textiles or garment as the product and the United States as the destination. The results show the numerous standards that are used. Let us look at the EU Ecolabel textile standard in more detail by clicking on Profile. We can see an overview of the standard, its requirements, details on how to comply, and the governance structure related to the standard. You can save the standards that you would like to compare by clicking on the Compare icon. You can also add standards to your list of favorites by clicking on the star icon. Let us choose 3 standards for comparison and go to the Compare module. We will first compare the requirements of each standard. The results show the percentage of the criteria related to a specific pillar. The EU Ecolabel standard focuses more on environment compared to the global organic textile standard that looks more at the social aspect. You can also look at the results by theme. Furthermore, you can review the results in table format with higher level of details either by pillar or by theme. The module also allows you to compare compliance procedures and the governance structures in a similar way. Let us now look at the Trends module. This module allows users to review market trends for 14 major voluntary sustainability standards for specific products. These products include bananas, cocoa, coffee, cotton, palm oil, soybeans, cane sugar, tea, and forestry. You can explore the data by country, by commodity, or by voluntary sustainability standard. Let us look at market trends in the United States. The results show that in 2021, the main certified area by voluntary sustainability standard was organic, followed by Global Gap and Better Cotton. If you scroll further down, you can also look at market trends for specific products covered. Let us look at cotton. We see that most producers have used the Better Cotton certification in 2021. Similarly, you can do searches by commodity or by voluntary sustainability standard. You can also download the raw data used to build the database for further analysis. Similar functionalities are available for market trends in forestry. Let us now go to the Certified Business Registry. This is a platform which provides basic information about businesses and their sustainability credentials. Let us again select the Better Cotton standard from the drop-down list. Note that the drop-down only covers 6 major sustainability standards in textiles and garments for now. The results provides users with a list of 24 companies that are Better Cotton certified. Details available include the company name, supplier type, address, city and country. Note that the tool is available in English, French and Spanish. Thank you for listening to this session. We look forward to having you join us for the next module.